Hey, how's it going, guys? Darth Vader Halloween here again, and I have another video on the Small Rising from the Grave Reaper. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set this guy up. Now, it's a really easy setup process. It should not take you more than 5 minutes. In fact, actually, it's the exact same setup process as John Doe. To be perfectly honest, there's not really a need for me to make this video since it's the same process as John Doe, which I already have a setup video for. So really, you can just go back and watch that, but I don't really care. I'm making this video anyways. So yeah, without further ado, first I'm going to talk about, what's actually in the box. So first, what you got is the head and clothing, obviously. And you got the back foot for stability. And then there is the module, the 2 poles, and there is the instructions, which you will not be needing. And then here's this foot removal key, which is used to take off the foot for disassembly. Now, this foot removal key, actually this one did not come in the box. This is a different, this is a different foot removal key that I got from reaperhollows.com. And I'll leave a link to that website in the description down below. And I got it because the other foot removal key that actually came with this guy, I ended up losing it. So yeah, that's why I got this one. But yeah, let's actually get into the setup process. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is have the module and get the back foot labeled A there. And then you're going to take the module and look underneath and look for another A sticker, and then line them up, and then you want to push it in until you hear a click. There was the click right there, and now it's locked into place. So there's that. Now what you'll go ahead and do is take any one of the 2 poles that are included, and you're going to want to attach them into this. And pay attention to the grooves. There's a little thing right there, and there is a groove right there. So just match those 2 up, and then push it into place. Keep pushing until you hear a click. And then take the next pole, this one right here, and then attach that onto the bottom one. Push it until you hear a click. And that's all the assembly needed for the mechanism. Now, what we're going to go ahead and do is take the cloth and lift it up, go to the neck, pull this back so you can see better, and there's another little nub here. There's a groove here, and there's also a groove right there. So you'll want to line those 2 up and then push it into place, and then now it's locked into place. Now go ahead and pull the cloth over. That looks really weird. You're going to go ahead and now bend the wires for the shoulders down a little bit now. And now it looks better. And at the ends here, there is a piece of Velcro on the cloak here, and another piece of Velcro down here on the front of the module. Go ahead and connect those 2, and then turn around. And notice there is another Velcro strip on the back here, and another Velcro strip back there as well. There's that. And lastly, you're going to go ahead and want to insert batteries, which I have already done. And then go ahead and put that battery compartment back on there. And now you're pretty much done. Pretty much done with the setup process. Make some adjustments to the cloth. Just make some adjustments here. And yeah, that is all there is to it. I do recommend that you put some sort of weight at the back here, just like on the edge, Take like a brick or something, or a sandbag, or anything will do, and just put it on there, just like that. You don't have to, don't put it up too far like this, and because that'll hinder the movement. Just let it rest just on the very edge of it like that, and that'll be plenty. All that's left for you to do now is just change the switch to on, and he'll start resetting, and then he'll reset, and now he is ready to be activated with any loud sound like a clap. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of the video. And subscribe if you like my content. That's about it. See you guys in the next video.